I almost ruined this video. And before you guys see why, help me with that YouTube algorithm, subscribe down below, help me fix this number, get it higher. Like the video, comment what you guys want to see me do next. And now I'll show you guys why and how I almost made a completely different video. I'm gonna throw this kinetic until I miss, because right now I got a front six. Carries! That's a horrible shot. That's so bad. That was like 3 arrows left at the arrows. Come on! Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Packy with the house, and today I have the Track Kinetic. It's a mid-range asymmetric piece. It's got a little pearl in it, so we'll see how it reacts on the lanes, but this video is a little different. It's not just a ball review. I'm gonna explain to you guys, how does the pro decide whether he should keep one of his older balls that he uses a lot, or whether he should replace it into his arsenal to make a new addition to the bag. I will throw whichever ball gets 10 strikes first in league, no matter what, whichever ball. Either the old one that I already know strikes a ton in league, or this one. Time will tell. One for one. All right, one shot with the black kinetic. Didn't even warm up. This thing carries. Let me move a little bit, move a couple. That's so bad. That was like 3 arrows left at the arrows. All right, so that was my first 5 just warm-up shots. This ball's making a really good shape. It's giving me a lot of miss room. It's a house shot, so the house shot also does that, but the way that this ball's going through the pins, I'm not worried about the 7 pin. I'm not worried about the 8 pin. It just seems to be going flush, whether I miss left, miss up the lane, or even miss it at the bottom with my hand a little bit. So I'm actually really liking the shape that this ball was making, and that's a little bit of a surprise, because as some of you guys know who consistently watch a little bit of my ball reviews, I don't tend to mesh well with a lot of the hybrid or pearl asymmetric balls. It just seems like them and my game we aren't in unison. We're not yet. The ball that I brought out for you guys to compare it to and to give that race to 10, which we're about to do, is gonna be the Obsession Tour Pearl, the gold ball. One of my favorite balls that I do throw in league all the time still. This is the league shot. This is one of the lanes we bowl league on. So hopefully the race to 10 goes well for the Kinetic, because I know this gold ball is gonna strike. All right, here's my shot with the Kinetic. This one's been striking so far. I'm gonna throw this Kinetic until I miss, because right now I got a front 6. Oh, slipped. Eight for my first 8. Front 10. Just warming up. Front 10, Kinetic. Hopefully I can finish this thing out and not waste my time with this. Tackle on down. Let's go. Come on. That might be the first time I've ever done it out of the box. Yeah, baby, come on. That's my layout. That's my bowling ball. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I was going to make a different style video, and that might be the first time ever I've actually gone out of the box 300, and I'm including the warm-up shots. Like warm-up shots, usually I get, 5 frames of warm-up shots. This time I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna film the warm-up shots. I'm gonna go ahead and see what happens. And actually, first 12 shots were all strikes with the Kinetic Black Ice, which is insane. Because I was just here to film a video measuring up, kind of showing you guys which ball I was gonna like better, and obviously right now I like the Kinetic better, but I'm still gonna throw this gold one. I'm gonna give you some more info here in the next couple minutes. Or do I see how many I can get in a row with this Kinetic Black Ice? I'm just gonna keep throwing until I miss. That's a horrible shot. They all go flash. Hook. They're all like dead flush too. Oh. Chat, do I move? After a trip 6, 16 in a row, do I move? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna move 1. Move 1. Oh, that's so bad. That's why I should never move. You have to have faith in your move. All right, so I ended up just running it up and seeing how many I could throw in a row. Ended up with 16 in a row, the first 16 shots I've ever thrown. I decided I should move after the trip 6. I probably should have still moved, it's just I threw a horrible shot. Horrible shot. Now, kind of measure up, maybe I'll do a race to 5 instead of a race to 10. So I'm gonna line up with this Obsession Tour Pearl, and then here's a race to 5. One shot lined up, done, done, done. So I took a really good guess. I lined up with my Obsession Tour Pearl. I moved 3 left of where I'm standing with the Kinetic. It's just a little bit weaker, maybe because it's got more games on it, maybe because it's just a little bit weaker. I'm now gonna race to 5 Kinetic Black Ice versus the Obsession Tour Pearl. We'll see which one can get to 5 strikes first. I'll start with the Kinetic, so any tiebreaker goes to the Kinetic no matter what, and we'll see which one gets to 5, and whichever one gets to 5 gets thrown in league night tonight. I will be posting a couple videos of my league night for my tier 2 members only. Join the channel down below. Tier 2 membership gets to see those videos and obviously gets entered in the Ball of the Month giveaway that we do to one of those members every month. Just random draw gets one of those balls. Sign up for the tier 2 membership, and until then, let's race to 5. All right, first shot, Kinetic Black Ice. One. All right, so 3 left with the gold ball. Here we go, keep it a little in front of me. One. Score is 1-1, tied up. Two for 2. I mean, it wasn't my best shot, but yikes. Three for 3. Once again, moving a couple left with the gold ball. Hopefully throwing this one to the left. It's way better. It's way straighter through the pins. It doesn't continue as hard. Pretty good. Oh, just a little slow. And terrible shot with that one. I'm 2 for 4 with the gold ball. I need to step up. Throw it to the left. It's pretty good. Oh, double check. I have 4 strikes with my black ice. I have 3 strikes with my Obsession Tour Pearl. Next strike wins for the black ice, so hopefully I strike and then we'll be out of here. All the marbles. All right, I appreciate you guys sticking through a little bit more of an informational video from me. That was my Kinetic Black Ice, a little bit stronger than my Obsession Tour Pearl Gold. So for those of you who want to keep both of those in your bag, you definitely can. For right now, I'm gonna test both of those continuously the next 2 weeks against each other. It's not as simple as I threw the front 16 with that ball, or I shot 300 the first game out of box, which I did. But it's not as simple as that for the long-term goal of which ball can strike more consistently, maybe on a variety of patterns, a variety of houses. But for right now, I know that ball strikes a ton, and hopefully over the next couple weeks, I'm going to be able to bring that in my bag and replace that gold ball. I'll post those videos from League to my Tier 2 members, as well as we will be giving away a Kinetic Platinum later this month to our Tier 2 members. So for all you Tier 2 members, get ready for some special footage from League tomorrow. And until then, I'll catch all you guys on the next video. Whether you guys like watching a little more informational videos like this one, or you guys like watching some of those fun challenges that I do on the channel, I appreciate you guys following along. And until the next one, peace.